Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Funnel Automotive is probably one of the most critical strategies for any automotive business aiming to boost sales and build lasting customer relationships. In this video, we'll dive deep into the essential elements of an effective automotive funnel, exploring how to attract potential customers, guide them through the buying process, and ultimately convert them into loyal clients. Get ready to transform your approach and drive your business forward. Number 5. OEMTOOLS 87043 No Spill Coolant Funnel Kit. Tired of coolant spills? This kit makes filling your cooling system a breeze. Just attach the right adapter and the funnel, and you're ready to go. With 5 spring-loaded adapters, this kit fits most cars and light trucks. You'll find the perfect fit for your vehicle, domestic or import. The smart design includes air release tubes. This feature ensures efficient venting, preventing air from getting trapped in the system while you refill. Traditional funnels can be messy. This one has a unique stopper design that eliminates drips when you remove it, keeping your workspace clean. Need to reach a hard-to-access surge tank? This kit includes extensions and adapters to help you reach anywhere. It's designed for a broad range of applications. What we like. This kit's spill-free design and air venting capabilities make coolant changes a breeze. It comes with multiple adapters, ensuring a secure fit for most vehicles. If you're tired of coolant spills and want a hassle-free experience, you should consider this. What people say. Very good quality item. I was extremely satisfied with my purchase. Definitely professional level tool. It was easy to use and mess-free. Very functional design. Funnel allows you to allow for ease of refill, and you can capture extra coolant and reuse without any mess. This tool has all of the adapters to connect to both of my Toyota vehicles. It is simple, and it works every time to purge the cooling system of air. Number 4. Formafunnel Inc. GP102 General Purpose Funnel. This is the Formafunnel GP102, a general purpose funnel. It's designed to make your life easier when dealing with fluids. It's a must-have tool for any toolbox. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe it down, and then it stores flat. You can also roll it up to fit in any toolbox, saving space. This funnel is built to handle extreme temperatures. It can be used with vehicle liquids from -30 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It's durable and reliable. Create the perfect custom funnel for any job. It's flexible and easy to shape. You can reuse it thousands of times. Say goodbye to messy fluid changes. This funnel helps you avoid spills and keeps your workspace clean. It's the original and made in the USA. What we like. This funnel's unique ability to be shaped and formed to fit any space is a game changer. It's reusable and made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. If you have unique fluid transfer needs or like a versatile tool, you should consider this. What people say. It really lives up to its name by letting you shape it perfectly to catch all the oil. It's got the perfect balance of flexibility and durability, which is exactly what you need for a tool that can handle the messy and demanding conditions of an oil change. One of the standout features is its ability to direct fluids precisely where I want them to go. Number 3. WIRTHCO Funnel King Drum Funnel, for Quart. This is the WIRTHCO Funnel King, a drum funnel designed for efficient fluid transfer. It's a reliable tool for various applications, ensuring a clean and controlled process. With a 4-quart capacity, it's suitable for handling a substantial volume of liquids. This feature makes it ideal for both small and large-scale operations. The funnel securely fits standard drums with 2-inch threading. This ensures a tight seal, preventing spills and ensuring safe operation. It features a built-in screen to filter out particles. This helps to keep fluids clean and prevents contaminants from entering the drum. Made of durable polypropylene, it's built to last. This material is resistant to many chemicals, ensuring longevity and reliability. The spout is 1 to 1/2 inches long with an outer diameter of 2 to 1/2 inches. This design facilitates easy and controlled pouring. What we like. This drum funnel is designed for use with standard drums, making it ideal for larger fluid transfers. The built-in screen filters out particles, keeping your fluids clean. If you work with drums and need a reliable funnel, you should consider this. What people say. The funnel is well designed and fits perfectly. The product works exactly as advertised. The funnel is made of high-quality materials. Number 2. EWK Flexible Oil Funnel, Spill-Free Oil Filling. Introducing the EWK Flexible Oil Funnel. This innovative tool makes oil changes and fluid transfers a breeze. It's designed to prevent spills and messes. The EWK funnel can be folded into any shape. This allows it to reach tight spaces and drain fluids effectively. It's perfect for various automotive tasks. The waterproof surface is easy to clean. Simply wipe it down after use. The soft silicone material allows it to be rolled up for compact storage. Made from high-quality silicone, this funnel is built to last. It can be reused thousands of times. It withstands temperatures from -31 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. The size is 14.6 by 6.7 inches, 37 by 17 centimeters. It's a versatile tool for any garage. The EWK funnel is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. This product is backed by an extraordinary 12 plus 6 months warranty. Buy with confidence knowing that it's built to last. What we like. This flexible funnel can be folded into any shape, making it perfect for tight spaces. The waterproof surface is easy to clean, and it's made of reusable silica gel. If you need a versatile and easy-to-store funnel, you should consider this. What people say. It helps eliminate oil spillage when those dumb engineers put the oil filter in the weirdest spots. This flexible funnel will keep its shape once placed under the edge of the filter and stays there while the oil filter is unscrewed by hand and the oil is directed into my drain pan. This one is quality. It will make your life easier. And last long. Number 1. Funnel King 2QT Funnel with Screen, Red. This funnel is designed for easy handling. It features a non-slip grip, making it safe and simple to use. This design ensures that it stays in place while you're pouring. The integrated strainer filters your liquids effectively. It removes unwanted particles, ensuring a cleaner pour. This feature is perfect for various applications in your garage or kitchen. Made from high-density polyethylene, it offers excellent chemical and corrosion resistance. This durable material ensures the product's longevity and reliability. It's built to withstand various substances. This funnel is an extremely cost-effective solution for your needs. It's perfect for use with oil, fuel, grease, or alcohol. It's a versatile tool for both your garage and kitchen. It includes a 60-micron screen for superior filtration. A convenient hang hole allows for easy storage when not in use. This feature helps keep your workspace organized. With a 6 to 1/2 inch top diameter, a 1 to 1/16 inch spout OD, and an 8 to 1/2 inch height, it offers a 2-quart capacity. The spout length is 2 to 1/4 inches, providing optimal functionality. What we like. This funnel features a built-in strainer, perfect for filtering liquids. It's made from chemical-resistant materials and is extremely cost-effective. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and budget-friendly option, you should consider this. What people say. Generously sized and with a secured screen. The screen is of very fine mesh, so will filter out nearly everything, which can slow things down a bit if there's a lot of debris. The plastic is thick enough to hold its shape and last a while. Excellent quality funnel and perfect size to return chemicals to their original gallon container. The mesh and a filter in this funnel should theoretically do the job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.